All right, we are in Studio One here at the coffee shop. I'm talking quietly so as not to disrupt the people around me. And if you hear background noise, it's because I'm in a coffee shop. So let's just make a beat, and I'm just randomly picking things here. So let's see what we got. All right, it's not bad. All right, let's use a construction kit. I haven't used a construction kit in a while, and what that basically is you get loop packs like Dirty Electro House, and it comes with basically everything you need. So let's hear what the full mix sounds like first, actually. All right, so let's just take the kick, and you can see this is at 130 BPM. So let's change us to 130 BPM just to stay consistent. And I'm going to loop this guy here. And let's bring the snare in, and the hi-hats, and the claps, and let's hear how this sounds. Okay, it's coming in a little hot, so let's just let's put a limiter on here just to have one, so I don't nuke you guys. And let's bring that to 0. Okay, so yeah, everything's a little loud. Let's bring it down. All right, cool. So now we got a beat. So what I'm thinking is, why don't we instead of bringing this whole loop in, let's bring it into sample one. So let's go to bring a sample one track in, and let's go to that loop, and let's bring it into sample one, and let's just take a piece of it, like maybe that part. And let's play it in the MIDI editor and make our own rhythm from it. Let's loop this and hear how this sounds. Neat. All right, let's just use that as a little thing we got in there. And let's just do that. Let's bring sample one back in. Let's do the same thing with the bass. And let's go to files, and let's go to bass synth and bring it into sample one. And let's hear how this sounds. We could zoom in here if we want. But I think we pretty much got it. Let's hear how that sounds. Neat. Okay, that's pretty cool. Neat. right, that's cool for now. So let's just all right, cool. So let's duplicate this. So we got 2 measures of that, and then why don't we bring this guy down to, let's group it, and let's select them all, the notes in there, and let's bring it down to maybe an, so we're going from C, G sharp, zoom in a little bit, get some space, let's bring it down to a G sharp. And maybe do 2 of them. Oh, I picked the whole thing, so that's fine. Let's see how this sounds. All right, so it's pretty much there, but we want to, one of the notes are wrong. So let's go in here, and these guys, now, if we have them there, they're not in the right key, so let's do that. Nice. And I want to go. All right, I think it's kind of neat. I adjust the envelope and sample one just to give it a little more of a pluck. So we got this type of sound. So with high attack. But I want to sidechain the bass to it, so let's put a compressor on it. And do a sidechain for track 1. Send that to it. That's not what I wanted. So compressor, we want the compressor in there. We want the sidechain to be track 1 sent to as the trigger. Oh, it's muted, that's why. There we go. Cool. Let's hear how it sounds in the mix. Let's change this. Look at that. Cool. All right, I think we got something cool going here. So, knowing me, I have to bring some arpeggiated thing in here. So, let's go to my tie. And why don't we just do an initialize patch and just kind of design something from scratch. And draw something in here. draw the chords. And make a little tail at the end here. So I want to, let's grab this guy and just take the last note and shorten it. So we go right here. That'll make the arpeggio sound cool when we arpeggiate it. And let's duplicate that and bring that down to G sharp, which is, here we go. It actually is like that. Sorry. Except let's bring this one in. All right, let's hear how this sounds. Okay, cool. So we have an arpeggiated beat in there, and let's throw in a Mai Tai initialized again. And let's just have the chords ring out on this one. So I'm going to just duplicate this patch. And I'm going to bring the cutoff down low. And let's just actually, very cool. All right, so let's duplicate this and let's stretch it out. And then what we're going to do is automate the cutoff filter of this guy and this guy to really ramp up as things go along. So let's just group those two. And let's go to automation. Easiest way to automate the filter is just right click on the instrument. Bam. There it is. And so let's keep it where it is there. And let's put something here and go just do that. And do the same thing for this one. Cutoff filter. And Do the same thing, boom, boom, and let's just hear how this sounds. I think it would be cool if we sidechained these guys too to the kick. So let's do that. So let's put a compressor. Actually, is there a way to copy a compressor from this one to that one? I'm not sure. Let's just do it this way. Let's do a compressor. So we go to sidechain, bam, bam. Done. And let's hear how it sounds. Cool, cool. I think we got something pretty neat there. That's a good start of a song. Good intro. So, like I said, the purpose of these is to get you guys just kind of some juices flowing, get you to open your dolls every day. I sit at the coffee shop almost every morning and make one of these little patterns and just chuck them up on YouTube. So I hope it helps you just spark some creativity in whatever you're doing. I use Studio One a lot, but I'm not exclusive to that. I'll do other dolls like Bitwig and FL and Ableton. I haven't opened Ableton in a while. I gotta get back to that. So anyway, later guys.